Hi, Danica here, and in this video, we're going to talk about the Memberium functionality for group accounts. This functionality is available if you're using Memberium with ActiveCampaign. If you're using Memberium with Keep, it's named Umbrella Account. So for the Memberium with ActiveCampaign, it's actually a newer feature compared to the Umbrella Account from Keep. It's already been around for a while, but a group account with ActiveCampaign is new. So the way it works is your member, who could be a parent, or you could even name it different thing. I name it organizer for this case. I'm just gonna disconnect some here so that you could see a form. And I'm gonna try to refresh. Okay. So if this is the organizer could add their own members. They will have this form and they could enter the email, first name and last name. And then what's gonna happen is this organizer could share his or her access to their member. So whatever course they're taking, whatever protected content, as long as it is protected the way that that parent organizer has, their member could access it as well. So whatever the view of the organizer can be also seen by their member, but of course you could limit it because there's a unique tag that you assign to your organizer or parent's account. And remember, they called it parent, and then for the member it's called child account. Now this works and so on, but the problem is in this setup they want to send custom emails per company. And when I say custom emails, that means they have their own logo, they have their own message, login links, and so on. Because we also create custom login link per company that is inside this website. So the organizer part is fine, but what we found out is their members can't receive the exact tags that they have inside the WordPress through ActiveCampaign. So what I mean is, after example adding someone here, and the rule is whatever this parent has, their member will also get. That's only up to the WordPress database. It's not being sent to ActiveCampaign. And remember, this integration is with Memberium and ActiveCampaign. So the situation right now is their members, yes, has their tags and so on inside WordPress, but if you check out their ActiveCampaign account, they don't have that tag that they have in the WordPress database. The problem with that is we are trying to trigger a custom email if they have that company tag, so it's not working because of this function, because of how this works. The support has confirmed that at the moment it does work like that, so whatever data is on the back end of your website is not automatically synchronized to your ActiveCampaign account. So an example here is if I open, let's just say this one. So we have this automation for their members, and it tells differently for their members and for the parent. So we have a custom message for that. And the problem is their members are not getting this. And the reason is once the member is added here and you check their account on the back end, they have the right tag and whatsoever. We need this tag because this is a company tag. They also have the same company name from their parent account, whoever added them. So same company name, same tag here, because that's what we have set up here in the Memberium Group Accounts to inherit that data. So inherit the membership level and inherit this name, company name. But the way it works is, yes, the tag is applied in here, but on the ActiveCampaign side, if you check out their email and contact in here, it's not added. So that was an issue. So to solve that, we've used the AutomatorWP plugin, and it has an add-on or trigger for ActiveCampaign. So that's what we're using. And the way this works is it is set up like, so example, if we open one of the membership, because if you create a membership level in Memberium, automatically there is a custom rule assigned to that one. You could even add more if you want. But example here, in the Automator WP automations, so this is how it works. So when a user gets added to that company A rule, then we apply the tag in ActiveCampaign, the company A tag. So that's how it's set up, and that's how it solves the problem. So I hope this video helps. Like if you are in the same case like this and you're trying to use the Memberium group functionality and you really want your members' experience to be unique, especially if you're hosting several companies, then the Automator WP will be very handy to throw back and forth data like this, especially that at the moment Memberium Group Accounts, the data in your WordPress is not synchronized automatically in ActiveCampaign. Now that is different for Memberium with Keep, because we also had a setup with that, and we could actually like synchronize or pass a data from this form automatically. Like we could customize this form. So if this was with Keep, we could just customize this and pass whatever data is this logged-in member has and pass that to their member. But we can't customize this form in the ActiveCampaign with Memberium version, only with Memberium with Keep version. So we needed this Automator WP. So again, I hope this video helps, and if you have any question regarding this setup, let me know. And yep, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.